Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel once again. My name is Terry Clark, aka Papa 51. My friends and family call me. And it's wonderful to see you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I hope you give me a thumbs up. Criticism is always welcome here. And you know, once you come to my channel, it's all about variety. I'm not one-dimensional. There's too much information out here to be one-dimensional, or just be in a certain niche, which some YouTubers are in, which is nothing wrong with that. But I want to say thank you to my new subscriber. Thank you for signing up to my channel. I hope you find something here that interests you. Sorry, I'm getting a little tongue-tied. And like I said, it's variety here. It's something whether you're wanting to start a business or wanting to make money online, health, wealth, everything is here I try to talk about. And I hope the information that you're seeking is that the information I provide is worthy of your attention. And I try to bring you good information. All you have to do is do your due diligence. Go to the website, check them out. If it interests you, you make a purchase, and you take it from there. But today, you know the holidays are coming up. We got Thanksgiving coming up. Like this year is just about to get out of here. The years just seem like months now. And we got Christmas coming up right after Thanksgiving. So today I'm making us a little short video. I hope it won't be long because I got some other things I have to do. But I wanted to get this out because I thought this was pretty cool to have personalized Christmas ornaments. I thought that was really cool, and I'm bringing you this website, and they had some wonderful deals and some wonderful items, gift items, everything. Everything is not just about ornaments. They have stuff for special occasion. Look at a special occasion. You know, Christmas gift. They got Thanksgiving gifts, Hanukkah. You know, they got weddings, housewarming, birthdays, religious party, stuff for the baby. Okay, newborns, moms, romantic gifts, anniversary, sympathy gifts, corporate and group gifts. Oh man, they have it all here. Seasonal gifts, Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, back to school, and a whole lot more that you can get at this website. Okay, they got a lot of the Christmas stuff that's going on too, like your Christmas order up to 50% off, guys. Up to 50% off. They got some great stuff in here. I'm about ready to do some shopping up in here about as soon as I get up making this video. But I wanted to bring this website to you because I thought it was pretty cool to have something like this. Decorate your tree, not say the old traditional way now. Just throw the lights and the bulbs on it, and you throw your little the decorations on there, whatever, when the family gets involved, whatever. But to have it personalized, I thought that was pretty cool. You know, especially when you got grandkids, kids. You know, they see their name up on the tree and everything. That makes them so happy. You know, and it's so enjoyable to see how happy the kids are. You know, I got eight grandkids now. Just had a new one, number 8. So I'm about ready to splurge. Okay, I'm a happy granddad, and to get these ornaments and have their name, your name, family, whatever. People love to see their name up on stuff for whatever reason. It just makes them feel good. Okay, they got the stockings up. Look, stockings on sale. The gift stockings up to 30% off. Christmas decorations. You got gift cards. Okay, it's a whole lot of stuff you can get here. You know, Christmas doormats, wall art, bar gifts, mugs, stuff for the teacher. You know, you get the teacher a gift. Okay, stationary gift, sports. They got everything up in here. You know, blankets, pillows, kitchen gifts, gift tag wrappers. Okay, and you know, I wanted to point out it's getting so dangerous now to go out. You know, I don't know what area you're in. You know how your neighborhood is. But in my neighborhood, it's just, you got to be more cautious now when you're going out on these holidays, whatever, any holiday. Whether it's just the Valentine's Day, Easter, whatever. But it seems that Thanksgiving and holidays, the criminals out here just start going just crazy, and you got to be more careful. So it's more safer to shop online. To me, that is to get your stuff, delivered to you safely. You don't have to go out unless you have to go out. But to baby find some deals and get the stuff that you need, you can probably get a tree off here. If one day I'm not sure, but you look around and they got some stuff here. Like I said, they got big sale, great deals on this website. And they got look at home decor. So you get stuff for the home. What's on sale today. Okay, they got personal bestseller blankets, canvas, prints, coffee mugs, doormats. Get your Christmas stuff, stockings, tree skirts. Everything's here, folks. All you got to do is come here and check it out. Okay? And let's see what else I forgot. Okay. It said create personalized Christmas ornaments for your tree this year and enjoy them for years to come as you watch your family grow. Give personalized ornaments as gifts to everyone on your list to remind them of special moments from the years gone by. As children grow, grandchildren arrive, and new holiday traditions begin, your family, friends, and loved ones will cherish the unique history and timeline custom Christmas ornaments passed down from all to see. So, nobody throws out the Christmas ornaments, but sometimes you got to replace those things, once you put them away. Some things get broken and all this stuff. Here you can, have, or have those replaced with being personalized. Okay? To me, this is really cool. Okay? You can shop by material. Glass, wood, they got slates. Look at this ornament here. The cartons. Whatever your last name is, you can have that put on there as family. You got weddings thing, all kinds of stuff that you can do. Okay? Premium ornaments. They ain't got stuff for the pets. Pet ornaments. Wow. So if you're really a pet lover, a pet owner, dog, cat, whatever, and you love your dog, cat, you can get them involved in the holiday spirit too. Put them a ornament up, if that's what you're into. Couples ornaments. They got everything here. This is a wonderful site. I came across it because I was looking for something else. I'm doing my research, and this website popped up. Oh, okay, wait a minute. This is nice because Christmas is coming up. Let me get my get stuff that I need. Because we're always buying stuff. Stuff is always breaking when we're putting the tree back up. We find stuff missing, and lights, whatever. We got to go back out and buy the same stuff we just purchased. But here, they got everything custom made. Put your name on your ornaments. Hang them on the tree. Now, they said the kids love it. They love it. Custom Christmas ornaments for everyone on your list. Okay? Go over this website. Check this website out. And okay, another thing, if you join their list, you get another $5 off. Orders over $25. So you spend $25, which you're going to spend more than that. When you're going shopping, when you're doing Christmas shopping and buying ornaments of life, you spend hundreds of dollars. I don't know about it. You spend hundreds of dollars, not even realize it, because you be in that spirit. You just buying stuff, stuff that, you want to put up for the tree, you want the house to look nice, decorative. This is the place to go, folks. This is really good. Okay? Go check this website out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out this website and get your ornaments. Like I say, I'm about to start ordering some stuff, but I saw some stuff that I wanted to get. Got a new grandbaby, so I'm gonna get his name on one of these ornaments. You know, the rest of the kids with their name on these ornaments. Put the stockings up. Last year I didn't do it up last year. Money was kind of short, but this year I'm gonna do it up for the babies. This year and for the family. You know, go check this website out. They got everything. Everything is not just about Christmas. Whatever you're looking for, look at here. Babies, premium pets, family, kids, new home, graduations, photos, weddings, sports, whatever. Couples is here. Don't need to go outside, do all that shopping. It's getting dangerous. But whatever. Go here, check this out. I'm leaving a link in the description box. And you're going to find something here or a whole lot of things here that you're going to be doing shopping. Okay? And thank you once again for joining my channel and for your new subscriber. I hope you find something here. But I want to do a little holiday video right quick. You know, you're getting that spirit. You know, you feel good. Thanksgiving popping up, getting the turkeys ready. You know, and everything. Fried turkey, bacon. We doing it. Everything. Family, friends gonna be all over. This house is gonna be packed. You know, every Thanksgiving this house is packed. Christmas not so, but we getting in the spirit. But anyway, thank you once again. I hope you guys and your family enjoy your holiday. Have a safe holiday for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And I want to see you next time on the next video. This is Terry Clark, aka Papa 51. Enjoy your day, guys. And don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Share it too. Share the video. Spread it around so people know about the little the Christmas website I call Christmas website. Get your personalized gifts. Okay? See you on the next video. Thank you.